for blow better story for una. We go get plenty story for this program. We go talk about Soreme way or some police way, Imasa Kwarai for that side, for Betari Oya. For big grammar, they call us say feminicide. Now so it happened. And then we go for that side for Meganga, for tell una what it happened, that we read before last week, because we tell una palava kribi, but when we go for that side for Meganga, tell una what it happened for that side for Meganga, countryman, a countrywoman. Countryman, a countrywoman. We go so talk for una. Plenty matter. The one way they dry fish. That fish drying palava. How the pass, we go tell una because the news that way in the born place. And then we'll talk too about picking them for that side, for Etouameki, for Yaoundé way, rain, it fall, it carry them go. So other pericade way, they call it say mauvais bébé. They talk say they don't put hand for ye. What did that mauvais bébé do? Now the question where would they ask them? Another Tory day, countryman, countrywoman. Now so young girl, where Francis Gano, where inside that big motor, where the driver and that Ben skin, that baby Ben skin, where the driver, a jam some girl for that side, for Yaoundé. They carry the girl go hospital, Kwara. And then, we go for that side, for Abeba Bangai, now for German. For German, we go tell now about some Cameroonian. What happen where Kwara, we go talk about countryman, countrywoman. Now plenty story than that. And then for sport too, we go knock up. Story for what countryman, countrywoman, for that inevitable lioness them. That baby lioness them way. They go, they come play ball for Yaoundé against Kenya team, and then they win the ball. So they don't qualify for go World Cup where it will take place for Morocco. Countryman, countrywoman. The thing there, how we dey. And then I understand say how we dey, na so it dey, because one put up for way, it go be for the way we put up fine. Countryman, countrywoman. We start with this story as I tell you now. Now for that side, for Betari Oya. Betari Oya, na some village for Cameroon. What happened for Betari Oya, countryman, a countrywoman. So woman, we like Imasa. They get small query na Imasa take hand. He put her for the woman's skin. He knock him, punch him. They get a name na Frida. Frida do them, knock Frida sote, kill Frida. Now last week, that what happened, in the rich we today, countryman, countrywoman. Now they will always talk for you. You not supposed for the nag ya woman like say na some back. Ya woman, na your friend, na your company, na all team. Na mami for your picking them. If you wanna get problem, una fit solve them for peaceful way. If you talk plenty pass you, if you just come out you for us, you come back way, the atmosphere don't calm. No, we say you go bend your hand. Let's say you fight your friend, man picking, you begin knocking with them. Tum. You did knock it, go. It is suffocate the go. You need to see him. You don't get time. So te you go Kwara. Now which kind of fashion that? Now which kind of thing that? Oh, say they know Okaji want to. They go put a fongata, and then after some time, he come out with the same pay na 52,000, and then they give 5 years for prison. For say you will be outside. If you do any other thing like this one, so they will carry you. They put them back fongata. Countryman, countrywoman. What happen for that side for Etouameki? Now the question that we plenty people did ask them. Now rain, imbang. That means say rain fall. For Lewa, they talk say torrential downpour. Now Lewa they talk that one. Some pikin, some jacka for 50 years. Water rain. It sweep that pikin for that side. They want go see we don't already Kwara. If you want cross that water, if you want do it, see the current for the water be overpowerful. Now so it sweep that periphery, it carry go kill him, water enter for all his skin. They don't see the dead body, countryman, countrywoman, any man, it cry for that side for Etouameki. Countryman, countrywoman. I tell una the matter. The matter for wetin countryman, countrywoman, wey rain fall last week so. Una remember say I be tell una palava Kribi. Wey lise belong for Kribi. Rain fall sote, that strong wind pass, it sweep up. It sweep all chakara all that carabot class away they be dead. They time around countryman, countrywoman. The thing say it happen too for that side for Meganga, oh, not only for Kribi. For Meganga, now for Adamawa region. A chakara people they ask them. That has where they build out with the mud, that had the ground has them. A chakara put that off or down. Lucky say, sote now, where I tell you now, no man, Kora, now only 15 people them, they get wound. Yes, plenty wound them, and then plenty people don't lost, plenty thing them for that side, for Meganga. Population for Meganga, they come governor. Say, Ogan governor, we there for better, we there for some serious problem. If I say me, unaka we. And the same thing way, they say belong for that side for Kribi, they talk up. He say, governor, unaka we. They know the worker for we, a Trump pass castle, will suffer plenty. So we hope say, governor will do his best, say, may come for day, he headed them, small countryman, a countrywoman. Countrywoman. May we continue with your news for you. Another news, we go give una countryman, countrywoman, na the one. They call you say, mauvais bébé. Mauvais bébé, he do waiting. Now question where will the answer? So take a rich now, man never know. But they talk say they like say it makes some decision. That means say he attack some man and then the man go call the book. Now so they can't put hand for you. They say they want to be play. Like a play, you attack man, you will answer question why you attack the man. So now some peripheral way, it talk plenty for social media. They don't put hand for you, countryman, countrywoman. They think they the way they time. Now you go explain for we how we pass, and then we do follow him for una countryman, a countrywoman. Countrywoman. Another story. What in naka for una na 70 na predator. Francis Ngannou. Yes. Man, where the Domo people them forget Imburu. Francis Ngannou, what happened with Francis Ngannou, countryman, countrywoman. He drive that BB machine, where they call us a motor for Francis. He drive him, and then, pap, what happened? Error, he jumps on Peking. He jumps on small girl, where they call you say, Nsama, Brigitte, Manuela. Now for Yaoundé Omisport. They stop, they carry the girl, they go hospital. They don't try, no way. He hand be broke, chakara he hand. They try, a doctor, they try their own. No way. They do operation, they get Ikwara for Warapita. Now so it happened. So as I return for now, Francis Ngannou, they fight. That family for that girl too, they know they fight. The pressure is plenty. If you want to enjoy your bed skin or your moto, it go happen say you Kwara man. We must know to say the baby motor and so they get problem. Now see the motor the vroom. We make a Arafat Ikwara. So other man for Douala been a so our friend. We have know if fine. It ain't been a bless. Bless too. Now so Ikwara was sika palaba that big motor. We come out Aquano, it one cross Bonamusadi for that Pongbanya, so taximan disturb it small, bam, if for knock it for down, now all that for you. Another friend, he come out Douala go Limbe, for that road for Sonara, he do a high speed, so moto come out Sonara for go me to farm side, he no put navigator, now so he enter the moto, bam, like that, he paralyzed today. So, the big motor and they so, we must take time. They need to go ride down any place, special space and they for begin ride down. And if you want ride down, you must take time. As I talk, I know I don't climb on top. If you dey drive for 60, it dey hot like say na fire if you burn yourself. So one in the way the minimum speed na 100, 150. So we must just take care. Asia for family, for the young girl, Manuela for that side, for Yaoundé. We say our condolences for Manuela and family. We did not lose Sama Brigitte Manuela. And then Francis Ganou too, after he became Kobe died, 9 days, another stress don't enter ye. Countryman, it no easy. It no easy. Now that musician be singing, it no easy. Una complete time. Una own the year. Countryman. What happen again? Another thing happen. Then for that side, for German, for Abeba Bagai. Thing happen for Abeba Bagai say what countryman. It happen say they see some Cameroonian boy, countryman, where it go if their body there on top tramway. That means say tramway that play with train the pass. Now he go throw himself for day. On a say they make so aggression they quarry before they go Emma for day. In name na Tankwa Japa, 34 years Cameroonian. Where they find their body yesterday for about 10 p.m. Yesterday 10 p.m. For tramway, that means say play with that train where they pass for Kwata for Berlin. Now for Berlin, for Germany, where they find their body on top tramway. Sometimes they now give for some play, they go through and for days so that may train pass with scheme the train and train don't kill him, or now he commit suicide. But whenever hear no correct inquiry for no way to happen with this our Cameroonian brother Tankwa Japa for German. You take money, pay flight, go for German for fine life. Life strong, you commit suicide. Or go for German for fine life. You go begin take your brother, Nakam, for Kwaram. With the wait inquiry, countryman, may come out for day, you go know exactly what to take place. Countryman. Now first part this for our program. We understand. Now so the thing day.